So today we're going to be doing family budget. The first problem involves a two-parent family in San Antonio. The father earns $2,194 a month, and the mother works 40 hours per week. And assuming a month has 4 weeks, what should the mother's minimum hourly wage be to meet the monthly budget? Well, their monthly total is $5,122. That's how much they both have to cover. Well, the father already covers $2,194. So what you're going to do is you're going to subtract $2,194 from their monthly total. When you subtract that, you get $2,928. Okay, that's how much the mom needs to make. That's how much the mom needs to cover. Well, we know the mom works 40 hours a week and that she works 4 weeks a month. So what I'm going to do is I need to figure out my total hours I work in a month. So you're going to do 40 times 4. 40 times 4 is 160. So she works 160 hours a month, and she needs to cover $2,928 a month. So the way I would find out my hourly wage is I'll divide 160 into 2,928. When you divide 160 into 2,928, you'll get 18.3. So that means that she's going to have to make $18.30 an hour. That's her minimum, though. She can make more than that. That's just her minimum to be able to cover her monthly total. Okay, that's problem 1. Let's go on to problem 2. Problem 2 is the same idea, but this case, we have a one-parent family with 2 children living in Dallas. The father works 40 hours a week, and assuming the month has 4 weeks in it, we need to figure out his minimum hourly wage. So it's the same idea, but this time he has to cover $5,695. He still works 40 hours a week, but he also still works 4 weeks a month. So that means he still works 160 hours. So he works 160 hours, and he needs to make $5,695 a month. So what you're going to do is you're going to divide that again. So you're going to divide 160 into 5,695. When you divide 160 into 5,695, you'll get $35 and roughly 59 cents. So he needs to make $35.59 an hour to be able to maintain his monthly total. Okay, that's example 2. Example 3 is actually pretty simpler. It says Alex calculates that he has a minimum household budget of $5,600. If he works 200 hours in 1 month, what's his minimum hourly rate? Well, I know for a fact he needs to make $5,600 per month, and he works 200 hours per month. So what you're going to do is you're going to divide your hours into how much he needs to make to figure out his hourly rate. So 200 goes into 5,600 exactly 28 times. So he needs to make $28 an hour to be able to cover his household budget of $5,600. Okay, last one. Now the last one looks pretty daunting because it's pretty long, but let's read it. So it says Joseph is a college student at the University of Texas. He made a good grade in high school and received a scholarship that pays for his school, housing, and books. Joseph did not have a car, but still needs to pay for his own meals. He calculates that he needs to make at least $450 per month. He has a job working at the bookstore and gets paid $15 an hour. So what's his minimum number of hours he needs to make to be able to make the $450 per month? So basically what this is saying is the top half up here does not matter. The only thing we need to figure out is just how many hours he needs to work per week to be able to make per month to be able to afford it. So what you're going to do is you're going to divide 15 into $450. So 15 goes into 45, 3, which is exactly 45, and the 0 comes up. So he needs to work exactly 30 hours a month to be able to cover this. That's also about 6 hours a week, okay? This is basically the same idea that we're going to be doing throughout the homework. If you continue on to the next video on Google Classroom, I'll show you how to do question 1 on the homework. Thank you.